Ladies and gentlemen, there's a new kid on the block. GenSpark AI is making waves. Today, I am going to show you how to use their super agent. If you want to get started, you can use the link in the description down below and follow along. Let's dive in. Okay, so this is the homepage, GenSpark.ai, and it is a super agent because it can do everything from generate slides, sheets, documents. It can help you develop, it'll help you design. It's got a clip genius. It's got an AI chat bot, which it uses all the latest models. AI image, which is the nano banana. Video generation, meeting notes, and then they have a list of a whole bunch more agents. And then they have news for you with quite a nice little feature, I think is quite nice. On each one of these, you'll see there will be a little icon over here. It says AI pods. And what you can do is literally just click on it and then it'll read it out for you. So let's go ahead and click on one.
Breaking news in the YNW Mellick case. His co-defendant just took a plea deal that could change everything.
Oh, wow. So there you go. You can see right over here that it's 1 minute, 5 seconds, and that's great. But getting more into the three features that I want to show you, the three main features, is first of all, the slides generator. So what I've done here is on the left hand side, this is the prompt, and I've done this before the time because it takes a really long time to actually generate it, and I'll show you exactly why it takes long. But here is my prompt. It's quite detailed, and this is exactly what I want. So the more detailed your prompt is, the better your result is going to be. And as you can see here from this, it has generated a lot of information. You can see that it's gone through and it keeps on giving itself tasks, and you'll see that each time these tasks are marked off, and there's a ton of thinking and working that it's doing. But this part over here is not as important. The important part is the final product. So on the right hand side, you will see your final product, and this is very, very nice. You've got three views. You've got the preview view, the code view, and the thinking view. So the preview view allows you to literally just preview it. So when you click on it, nothing happens. But you can see that I got a very, very detailed slide, a very nice presentation, and it's all color coded. It is exactly what I am actually looking for. Now, if you need any changes done on a large scale, you can actually just type it in over here and you can have it changed. So for example, if you want to change the color scheme, the font, things like that, you can just type it in over here. It's very easy. So you can then see the rest of my presentation. Fantastic. Love it, love it, love it. What we can now do is the code section over here. If you click on code, you'll see the actual code. And here you are actually able to change the code or export the code if you need to. Then the thinking section. You can see over here that it has given you all the details in terms of its thought process. Okay, right over here. And I think that that is absolutely amazing. So the other thing that you can actually do here is go into the AI edit. So you can go and click on this, and let's say you've highlighted this over here, and you can literally go and make edits by using commands. So all you have to do is say change what it says here, or do this or do that, whatever it is, you can do it right over here. Then you have the advanced edits over here. Okay, this will open it up into a new window, and this will literally let you just go and edit every section for yourself. So as you can see, you clicking on it, it's giving you all of the formatting tools up at the top here. The same with the image, it's giving you some formatting tools. It's really, really intuitive. It's actually quite awesome because you can really customize this now if there is even any customization that you need. So either by using a prompt to customize or simply by customizing it yourself. And then you can save it as a template. You can then also, if you are saving it as a template, you can reuse the template and just say in the chat over here, change the information and change it to this topic or do that to it, and you can reuse this as a template. Then you've got the view and export, and here you can just click on this, you'll be able to view it, and you can export it right over here. Okay, there are some additional options, so you can actually edit this in Canva and Figma. if those are tools that you need. And I think this is a bit of a workaround, because if you don't have the Plus plan, you can't export it. But you can also present it here, so that's great. Moving on to the next one. Over here is the AI Designer. Now, once you go into AI Designer, what it does is it essentially just asks you what it is that you want to design. And so what I said was, I need a crazy t-shirt for my photography and videography business. I gave information such as the name, my brand colors, and exactly how I wanted it to look. Now, again, it's gone through the entire thought process, and it returned that there is a bit of a problem with the the image generation tool right now. So right now it will not generate my design, but in normal circumstances, in a low traffic time, I will be able to see an actual image of my t-shirt, which I think is fantastic. And then again, you can go down and you can literally edit the design, and then you can export it just like you did with your presentation. The last feature I want to show you that really stands out for me is the clip genius. So here, all you do is open this up, and it opens this up, and you can give it a prompt. So what I wanted to know is, can you clip long videos into shorter viral clips in a 9:16 aspect ratio? Yes, absolutely. Here we go. And you upload your video simply by clicking on videos over here. You can go click on add file, you add your videos, and it will now go through this video and do according to your request. So for me, I want short 30-second or shorter viral clips that I can use on social media. That's why I specify the aspect ratio. And then you can actually just export all of these videos. Now, again, there are some limitations because I have actually used all of my credits before I got to this point. But this is a great way to really harness the super agent that GenSpark is creating. I hope this video was insightful. If you want to get started with GenSpark, you can go ahead and use the link in the description down below.